Welcome to You Can Plumbing. I'm Mark the Plumber. Now you might be asking yourself, what is going on here? And I'll tell you what, you're not on my OnlyFans page. You're here today for me to tell you about this great tool I found for cleaning the hair clogs out of your bathroom sinks. Mainly your tub. I mean, sometimes the sink itself will get clogged, but mainly in the tub. Over the years, I've found that I've gone through a ton of different tools to try and clean these out without having to touch anything. And to be quite honest, there aren't any that really work that way. Until now, I came across this tool. It's called the Drain Weasel. Here's the package for the Drain Weasel. It's a hair clog cleaner. It comes with a handle. Here's one that I have put together. I used it upstairs. That's why the end is a little bit dirty. But I'm going to show you how it works. It goes together super easy. It's got a flexible end on it, and this handle is pretty ingenious actually. You slide it up, it has a little notch for it, and then it just clips apart. Then you open up your package, so then you never have to use a dirty one. You just pull the new one out. And the thing I like about this is, I'm not sure if you can see, but it's got little barbs on it, little plastic barbs that actually work really well at grabbing the hair. So it's very well designed. You just take the two pieces, clip them together, the handle slides down, you twist the handle so it can't slide back out, keeping the piece together. Now I'm going to show you how it works in the drain. So we'll just pop this cap out. Now most drains, all they are is they just sit in there. If you have a pop-up one, you have to unscrew it. Like always though, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty to take it out. Now, I'm not sure how well you can see down into the drain. Probably best that you don't. It's just grossness. So all you do with this tool. Now you'll see it's this long. It's got a little handle. Just clips together. The handle slides over, and it gives you a spinny handle, so you can just push that down in there. Move you back a bit so you can see everything that's going on. You just hold on to the handle, the yellow part there, and it spins around and around, and around and around and around. And you just keep spinning. And that is a lot of grossness getting all caught up there. So there you go. You pull it out and you get a nice little drain rat, as I like to call them. I have left a link in the description below to Amazon for the Drain Weasel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe, and please comment and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. That would help me out greatly, and also I'd like to give you what you want. Anyways, thank you very much for watching You Can Plumbing. We'll see you in the next video.